Hi, welcome to Gran Canaria Uncovered. Today we are in the Cape Cod of Gran Canaria because there's been a massive furore in the British press, national press, about the sharks found near the popular beaches. Okay, so I just want to dispel a few myths now, firstly. The first shark that was spotted 2 or 3 days ago was a hammerhead. It's not unknown for hammerheads to be seen here, but it's very unusual. Hammerhead sharks grow to 6 or 7 meters in length, which is a big fish, but they are generally not interested in humans. I guess we don't taste good to them. The sharks that were spotted yesterday and caused the closure of the beach are a different species. I will say I'm not sure exactly which one, but these are shark pups. These are young sharks. They're not very big, but they spark the closure of the beach. The beach is closed is not the one behind me. You see this is Anfi Beach, and we will be filming down here shortly. But the one we're going to today is Patalavaca Beach, which is about 1.5 kilometers that way. Now, interestingly, yesterday Patalavaca Beach was closed, but this one was open. So, figure that one how you like. So let's take a walk down to Patalavaca Beach. Have a look to see is it still closed today. We don't know. There's nothing on social media to say one way or the other. And if we're really lucky, let's see some sharks. Come on. And now we are at Patalavaca Beach. There are actually 2 small sandwich beaches here with a rocky outcrop in the middle. Although the British press say this is a popular beach, it's really popular with residents and the locals, Canarian people, rather than tourists, but it is a very nice beach. We'll have a look to see if we can see some sharks with a drone, but because the beach is open now, I think maybe there aren't any. But who knows, let's see. Well, as you can see, we did not make the next instalment of Jaws here today. There was a lot of fuss in the British press, but it was mainly fuss. Having said that, we live about 10 kilometres from here, so if there's any other sightings of sharks, you can be guaranteed that Gran Canaria Uncovered will be here uncovering the truth. Hope you enjoyed that short video and we look forward to seeing you all soon. Ciao for now.